Okay. Pretty sure. Okay, yeah, I know that the one that the blue's going into is ground. I know that. Yeah. So the pump's working. Just kidding, I already know what the fucking problem was. Ugh. You want to know what the problem was? I didn't have this shit connected. Why? I knew something was wrong. Because I don't remember that being just open and not have anything on it. Second test. Forgot to record the other one. Here we go. Cross your fingies. And guess what? I straight piped her. Oh, it smells like rats in there. That's good. Now, I don't know how to do timing. It seems that it wants to, like, clockwise. If I put it too clockwise, it pops a lot more. But if I go too far this way, then, or clockwise, it sort of dies. And then counterclockwise, it pops a lot. So, like, around, let's see, I'm trying to think about what the degrees are. But you could probably see it with the spacing. She moved. Clutch is kind of, I don't know what it's like, it's stuck halfway. I don't know what it is. I'll probably have to lube that up and see if that helps at all. Or maybe that's how it's felt since I've had it. I don't know. Put the old seat back in. It's comfy. I don't mind the springs. They feel okay. So I think the issue was that when I was trying to take the distributor off for some reason, because I even took the not the valve cover. Valve cover? Yes? Valve cover. Valve cover. I took the valve cover off. I was also trying to take off the distributor for some reason, not realizing that it had like a helical gear in there, and it had been weird, and it fucked up the timing and shit. But I didn't tighten these back up. And because of that, I'm assuming like under bumps, like it would move around and scoot, and it would cause at least uphill for it to die. Or I had it set all the way counterclockwise, so it was running poorly the entire time. And then uphills, you would really notice it, and it would die, and then you'd have to clutch, brake, go into first, and then kill the key before it starts to try to push itself again. Yeah, that and the fact that I didn't plug in that one wire that was right here, and I could never figure out which wire it was. It turns out it's this bundle right here. It's got the black with yellow trace on it, which goes to the fuel pump. So I don't have to worry about plugging the rest of these in, but I wanted to just to make sure that all the lights and stuff work, which they do. They all work. So, oh, also there's a speed hole in the floor that I cut. I custom did that. I think the next thing I want to do after I get the floors in is that the fact this doesn't have, before, this didn't even have the heated glass either. I can't get the heated glass to work for some reason. And it all, at least on the GL, it had a wiper, and it had the spray nozzle and the wiper down here somewhere. I have the wiper and stuff from that in assembly and I've done all the piping and stuff for this. I've also got just the pump, the secondary pump that goes to the rear. I've already got that. I've got that piped through the entire car. I just need to find a nozzle that'll fit in here, recut the hole, and then cut the hole for this. Also re-weld one of these holes. These two right here are for mounting for the controller arm for the wiper. And I went through it, so it's not going to sit in there right. So I'll have to re-weld this, or either use another washer or some shit. I don't know. But yeah, I think that's going to about do it for this one for now. I guess tomorrow I'll take this up to the garage, get the floors welded in. Hopefully, I might have to remove that, I don't know what this stuff is, the mat that's in the front, because I ended up cutting through that for some reason, which is really stupid. But yeah, going good so far.